Hey, I'm Meghann and this is the Limerick Post Show. I'm joined by Laura McLoughlan. We're here in the Fame Factory where Laura's going to teach us some yoga because today is International Day of Yoga. Laura, can you tell me what are the benefits of yoga?
There's so many benefits to doing yoga. It increases your flexibility. It's great for strengthening. There's just so many benefits.
Now, I have to say, I've noticed more and more that it's not an age thing anymore. I mean, every age group are doing it, children all the way up through.
Yes, now we have children yoga classes here at the studio, and it's really one of our busiest classes actually. So whether a child is already doing a sport or they're a dancer, yoga can really help them to improve, say, flexibility or strengthening so that they can go on and help sports as well.
And you were saying to me a little bit earlier before we got chatting that they're very competitive, the youngsters.
So competitive. Every young child that comes in either wants to do a headstand, they're on fast forward, so they really want to be doing the most advanced poses in comparison to, say, the adults. I would say probably want to take it a little bit more easy.
Yeah, and speaking of the adult classes, what do you find people are coming in for? Is it like to get away from stress of work? Is it injuries or what's kind of why do they come in through your door?
It really varies actually. So you would have some people who do have an injury and their doctor might recommend that they start doing yoga. Other people, it can be a timeout. So we've got such busy, hectic lives now that people just want to take that hour where they're not looking at their phone, their computer, nothing. And they're just taking that time for themselves to relax, unwind and, do some gentle stretches and poses.
And is there like any certain time of day that's better to do yoga or does it completely depend on the person?
It depends on the person. Some people like to do an early morning yoga that, really starts them for the day. And then other people love to do it in the evening because it really relaxes and calms them before bedtime. So it's entirely up to the person, really. I
know I'm definitely not a morning person anyway, so I'll be all about evening yoga. Another thing I've noticed is nowadays with like professional athletes, they're all seem to be going to yoga and they're all taking part in yoga. And I suppose maybe playing such a like rugby, would say for example, yes. It's such an intense sport, and then they're all brought to do yoga. Like, do you find that like why sports people turn into yoga?
Probably for the strengthening reason, flexibility as well. So they want to increase their flexibility. So and also the breathing side of it as well. You can help to increase your lung capacity by doing your breathing continuously throughout the class. So there's so many benefits for people in sports.
I have to say I must pick up more yoga with you. We're going to go through some yoga soon. You're going to show me some of the basics. But I have to say now, I'm looking around this room. It's not just yoga you've got going in here. Tell me what else you do.
Well, this is a children's dance studio as well. So we're a dance-focused stage school here at the Fame Factory. We do dance, drama and singing in our classes.
And you've some very big popular show coming up. Tell me about this.
We do. We have our annual showcase next Friday in the Lime Tree Theatre, and all of our members are just so excited. The adrenaline is really building now. We've had costume fittings, show rehearsals, and it's so exciting for all the members.
Now, good news is it's sold out. Bad news is if you haven't got a ticket, it's sold out. Yeah. But I suppose maybe if you get onto the Lime Tree Theatre, you might see if there's a few tickets to come around.
Oh, they're waiting list. Yeah.
All I'll say, I can't wait to see it. I know you're saying the children are so excited for it.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Right, now it's time to put me through my paces. I know it's actually morning time right now, but you're going to show me some yoga and get me all bendy and flexy and strengthened and whatnot and set up for my day ahead.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
Laura, thank you so much for chatting to the Limerick Post Show.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So now we're going to run through some basic yoga poses that you can do at home as well to celebrate International Day of Yoga. So Laura, you're the teacher here, so show me what to do.
We'll start with a standing pose and we'll do a tree pose first. Mm-hmm. So we're going to turn your right foot out. You're going to bring that foot up to where you feel comfortable. So most people are usually comfortable to rest it just inside the knee. So just inside your left knee. Mm-hmm. Extend the arms out, palms facing up. Find your balance and slowly bring the hands up and join them at the top. And this pose helping to increase balance, working on balance. Mm-hmm. And stay very still. Pick a point in front of you and focus on it. Yes, so we usually start with the right and we'll always alternate and do what we did on the right on the left. So we turn the left foot out. Again, bring it up to where you feel comfortable. Palms facing up, extend the arms out and slowly bring them up and join them at the top.
Oh my God, I feel the difference on this side now.
Do you?
Yeah. I'm like, oh, I'm a bit shakier.
That's it. And then we relax the leg, relax the hands down and take a breath out. Well done. Okay, so next we're going to do a basic warrior pose. So we're going to bring legs wide. We're going to keep our left foot facing forward, turn our right foot out. We're going to bring palms facing up, shoulder height. Going to bend the right knee, and I want you to look down towards your right hand. That's it. And if you're comfortable to, you can close your eyes. And deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Slowly relax the right knee. That's it. And we did it on the right side, so we're going to do it on the left. Okay? We're going to turn right foot forward, turn left foot out. Bend your left knee, look down towards your left hand. And all the time we're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Slowly relax the left knee, left foot forward, relax the hands down, take a breath out. Well done. Okay, so we're doing a floor pose this time. So we're starting in tabletop position. We're going to extend our left leg out straight, so there'll be a straight line with your spine and leg. We're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And then slowly I want you to bring your right arm up and draw a straight line with your arm, spine and leg. Then relax your right arm down, relax your left knee and breath out. Again, we did it on that side, so we're going to do it on the opposite. So extend the right leg out straight. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And then slowly extend the left arm out. Draw a straight line with your arm, spine and leg. Relax the left arm down, relax the knee. Take a breath out.
Well, there you have it. There are 3 basic poses that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Laura, thank you so much for chatting to Limerick Post today.
You're so welcome. Thank you for coming.
And I hope you enjoy International Day of Yoga. Remember, it's Limerick Post, keeping Limerick posted.